Hi guys! Welcome to Pherl TV again. Today I'm happy to share once again a very healthy food for the kiddo, okay? So, every time I cook food for my kid, I would love to share it to all the parents, to all the guardians, okay? For them to know if what are the good food that is ought to be served for our children, okay? Kasi yung mga bata, guys, pag hindi sila healthy, mahirap yun. Mabilis sila tamaan ng ano-ano man ang sakit, 'di ba? Ganon guys ang bata. Pag hindi ang bata healthy, konting ulan, sakit, sipon, ubulag na, okay? So dapat yung mga bata, feeling na ako ha, feeling doktora, no? Feeling nutritionist. Hindi naman kasi 'di ba? We all know that the healthy food can give us a strong immunity against any forms of diseases, 'di ba? So, being a mom who is very much health conscious, diba? I would love to serve my kid healthy food from time to time para, diba? Kasi, mas magastos pag may sakit ang bata. So, the best talaga guys ay serve natin yung mga bata ng mga healthy food. So, today, what I cook is this yummylicious macaroni soup with shrimp and lots of vegetable. Okay, as you can see guys, nakikita nyo naman. Diba? If you want to know the cooking procedure and the other ingredients that I added here, you may click the latest live streaming of Pherl TV. And in that live streaming, I share all the ingredients for this. Okay, so yan. Thank you so much guys. Ayan, shrimp, meron siyang cabbage, meron siyang carrot, meron string beans, okay? So serve our kids with a healthy food every day. Every day, as much as possible, every day.